We present MOOCad, a visual analytics system for detecting anomalous learning patterns and their clustering in MOOC data. The system integrates anomaly detection algorithm to cluster learning sequences of anomalous MOOC learners into stage-based groups. Our system is composed of three major steps: a data preprocessing module for transferring raw data into learning sequence and extracting the attributes for query, an analysis module for anomaly detection and frequent pattern identification, and a visualization module for interactive visual analysis. In this video, we demonstrate the application of MOOCad by analyzing a real-world dataset from a Java programming course. The course contains 10 modules material and enrolls about 4,000 students. The analysis starts by querying the data based on a set of computed attributes in the query view. Here we brush the bar charts to focus on the students with a bachelor or master degree and their average week learning time larger than 5 hours, and from Asia. Then the detected anomalous learning activities will be displayed in the exploration wheel. Let's take a look at this wheel. The learning sequences are segmented into different stages based on the progression analysis, and the subsequences within each stage are clustered into groups. Links are drawn between two adjacent stages to show the transfer of students between different groups. The distance between two groups indicates the similarity in learning activities. On the right side of each detected anomalous group, a stacked bar chart illustrates the distribution of evolved students based on their grades. Each thread in the group depicts a frequent pattern of learning activities shown by the group's learners, and the white symbol inside the thread represents specific learning events, which are connected by a curve in the temporal order. The background color of the thread encodes the average grade of the students within the corresponding learning pattern, and the dashed line at the bottom of each stage represents the inactive students in the stage. Let's get back to the demo. The learning activities are segmented into 6 stages. We can find some anomalies in the exploration wheel. For example, only half of the students in stage 2 transfer to stage 3, which means many students skip stage 2 in their learning. To get more information of the frequent pattern, we can refer to the tooltip or click it to get an enlarged version in the individual path wheel. In this way, we find the second group in stage 2 lags behind the first group, as they're still learning Module 1 while the first group is about Module 4. In addition, we can also change the encoding of the symbol size to get more information about learning activities. When clicking on the thread, we can also inspect the students with this pattern in the individual path wheel. For example, when ranking the individual path in the order of grades, we can explore the individual learning patterns, like the length of their learning sequence and the model with dense transitions. We can further explore more information in other contextual wheels. The frequent pattern views list all the frequent patterns of anomalous group in the exploration wheel. We have presented MOOCad, a novel interactive visual system for detecting anomalous learning groups based on the progression analysis, as well as summarize their frequent learning patterns in MOOC learning.